In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable friend requests on Discord. If you want more control over who can contact you on Discord, turning off friend requests is a simple privacy setting that can make a big difference. This is especially useful if you're in a lot of servers or if you'd rather keep your account limited to people you choose to connect with directly. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting and what to turn off. To begin, go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main Discord screen where you can see your servers, direct messages, and your account area. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen before moving forward, so the settings are easy to find. Once you're on the Discord dashboard, look to the bottom left area of the screen. Next to your profile, you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your user settings. This is where Discord keeps your account preferences, privacy options, and social settings. After the settings menu opens, look at the left-hand column. You'll see a list of categories you can click through. Find and select content and social. This section contains the settings related to how people interact with you on Discord, including friend request controls. When you're inside content and social, scroll down until you see the section labeled friend requests. In this area, Discord gives you a few different options for who is allowed to send you a friend request. To fully disable friend requests, click the toggles to turn off everyone, friend of friends, and server members. Turning off everyone prevents random users from sending you requests. Turning off friend of friends stops people connected through mutual friends from reaching out that way. And turning off server members blocks users who share a server with you from sending requests as well. With all three options switched off, no one will be able to send you new friend requests through these standard Discord discovery methods. That's all you need to do. Once those toggles are off, your changes should apply right away. You don't usually need to save anything manually because Discord updates these settings automatically. If you ever want to allow friend requests again, just return to the same friend request section and switch any of those options back on. Depending on how private you want your account to be, you can enable one option, two options, or all of them. And that's how to disable friend requests on Discord.